Start.
Hi, this is Physics with Swapnil, and today we are going to discuss about xylem. So here is the word xylem. What this word mean? So this is a compound tissue. This is a compound tissue. What are compound tissue? Compound tissue are those in which cells are different. In simple tissue, cells are same, but in compound tissue, cells are different. So xylem is made up of basically three types of cell. One is xylem vessel or tracheids. Second is xylem fiber, and third is xylem parenchyma. So these are three types of cell which our xylem is made up of. We already have studied about parenchyma, and fibers are sclerenchyma cell. Fibers are sclerenchyma cells. So we already have studied parenchyma, sclerenchyma as a simple tissue, and the compound tissue is a combination of some simple tissue that are parenchyma, fibers and vessel. So basically xylem is used to transport the water. Now let us draw the structure of xylem. Now we are going the structure of xylem. So now I am going to draw the structure of vessel. So how a vessel is formed? The cell, this is the vessel. So vessel cell are arranged one above another. As you can see in the diagram also, these cells are put one above another. So what happens that this layer dissolves. This layer dissolves, and this is lignin. This is lignin. This is lignin. We are making the structure of vessel. We are making the structure of vessel. So vessels are stacked one above other, and the wall of this cell is dissolved by the time. So there is a lumen. Lumen means cavity, and this is lignin. Because of this lignin, the inner material is dead. So vessels are dead. Now there are more vessels arranged sidewise also. And we know this middle layer is dissolved, and we get like this. This is lignin. Now the water can cross sideway also. So there is a sideway also. Sideway opening also. There is sideway opening also. There are sideway opening also. This sideway opening are known as pits, and these are dissolved. These are dissolved. So you can see that it is looking like capillary tube. So vessel looks and do work like fine capillary tube. And we already know what the work of capillary tube. The towel, if we soak one end of the towel in the water, the other end will get wet because the water travel through the fine threads of towel. In the same way, the water from the roots reach the top part through this vessel, because this vessel acting as a capillary, and capillary help the water to move upward. So this is the structure of vessel. Now let's talk about other cell and their structure. Now we will draw the structure of tracheids. So tracheids structure, they are stacked like that, sideways. They are structured sideways. Okay, so there are vessel and there are tracheids, but the vessels are more efficient because they are straight. Think the water is to be carried on the top in a hotel. So if it's a straight pipe, it will carry a more pressure and it will be faster. But if the pipe is bent, it will take more time. That is the tracheid. The tracheid also takes some time to move the water up. So vessels are more efficient. Now let us draw other structures of the xylem tissue. So this we have already studied. These are pits and these are xylem vessels. Let it be xylem vessel. Now these circles, these are loosely packed, and we know what are loosely packed. These are parenchyma. So these are parenchyma, and these are vessel which have lignin and pit. And now we have sclerenchyma. We know the walls of sclerenchyma are thick. So these are sclerenchyma. So this whole thing, and these are vessel, as I have already done. So this whole thing, vessel, parenchyma, sclerenchyma, makes up xylem tissue. Thank you so much. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Have a nice day.